Good morning. This is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations, and this is pieces of Tara's Patreon group challenge for the month of March. And what I'm doing today is a cloud pour using her recipe. And I'm going to put the recipe down in the description below. This is my first attempt, a failure, and I love failures because I learn from them. And I think I've managed to decide what it was that went wrong with this one. Basically, my pour over paints were just too thick. Got some here, but not enough. So let's talk about the color real quick, and then I'll talk about consistencies. My base colors are going to be, and I'm going to try this again. This is pretty much all Nova Color paints. This is Indanthorne Blue. I think that's how it's pronounced. Turquoise Pearl. I'm trying some pearl paints with this. We'll see if it makes a difference. Super Pearl Gold, another pearl paint. This is what my blowover, when I do the top part of it, which I'll explain as we go along. This is India Yellow, and I'm going to couple that probably with my Indanthorne Blue, but we'll see when we get up there. Maybe it will be the gold, kind of similar. My pour over color is going to be Carbon Black. So consistencies are all the same across the way, extremely thin. You can see it just goes directly into the paint, and it just doesn't make a mound at all. All of them the same. And finally my pour over. All the same. So I'm hoping it works out this time. If it doesn't, I will have to try again. But this canvas is getting reused. And without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. And we'll see what happens.
Heartbeats, all is silence, darkness in the streets. We cut off the violence and put it to sleep. I can hear you breathing, feel you next to me. Heartbeats, all is silence, can't believe we're kissed. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Just wanna be with you. Hold me if I'm waking, catch me in my sleep. All these thoughts keep spinning, but you're grounding me. Time to heal, time to grow. This time I know I'm not alone. Hold me now, let it out. I know we found our home.
Okay, let's talk about this just a second here. I'm going to, just in case I didn't say, this is a pearl pour, not a cloud pour, and I apologize for that confusion. And with over the top of it is it's a blowout. Some would call it a Dutch pour, but that's centric to Riscadonna. Anyways, long story short, I am not unhappy with the pearls this time. Last time my pearls disappeared. They get a little wonky over here, and I think that's largely because my canvas wasn't tight enough, and it didn't give me enough support. But I got some beautiful pearls over here. I'm not unhappy with this piece. The blowout part of it, now that I added the finger painting, I'm okay with it. What I found out the last time I did this is it's really easy to put too much paint down. And I'm hoping that I can avoid doing that this time. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on music. I'm going to get started, at least for this first part. Okay, the idea here is to stretch and I want to get my basic idea down before I start stretching over the sides. Okay, now just do my pour over. Now pour over is going to go down really quick. I need to get that out of there before I do the next one. I got a goober right there. I want it gone. Let's see if I got it. Okay. So I'm going to do this quickly. I'm going to do my pour over color, and then we're going to just walk away for a while. Okay, let's chat about this for just a second. What I did there here, and I started before I even thought about it, is I put down my Dutch pour colors and I blew them out over the top of my pearl, uh, on top of the pearl pour. Now my pearls stand up because I let this sit for about an hour before I came in and did this part of it. So it allows for the Dutch pour side of it, although there's still fluid down, I didn't disrupt all of my pearls. So am I happy with this? I'm much happier with this than I have been with the others that I've done so far. So I'm going to play some more with this idea. I think it can be developed into something very, very special. Okay, these are the dried results. As you can see, that earlier painting has poked through in places, and I kind of dig on that. It's not a bad thing. So I'm unhappy with this piece. Now, I did a second piece for another collaboration, and they came out pretty much the same. I mean, I don't think I could have made a pair that match so well. So if you're interested, okay, this is the dried results of this painting. I'm really kind of loving the depth I got with this, with the colors in the background. That lighter color just made it. So this has been Pieces of Tera collaboration for the month of March. Please stick around for the next person in the collaboration. And as always, I hope you got something out of this, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.